door.
These are the stairs leading up to the first room. Here's the first room, the elevator, the little bathroom, windows, door that leads outside, staircase down to the pool. Come back out, come up the stairs. The top of the stairs, the little patio. This is the living room, dining room, possibly where we'll put a bar. Utility closet, little bathroom, breakfast nook, kitchen, more kitchen, big old pantry. And you go up another set of stairs.
Found a nice one in St. PG for $430 today.
Laundry room, master bedroom, closet 1, bathroom, closet 2, my closet, bathroom, tub. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but it's there. We'll walk out of the bathroom. Hi. And then you go down this hallway.
Yeah.
Got another bedroom
It's a year old?
with a Murphy bed.
16.
And then another bedroom
I never.
with cute little closet. And that's it.